How many times has that happened to you? You're trying to do something, you're trying to work on something, and clutter is in your way. Tripping over stuff, can't get to what you want to do. How often does that happen? Every day. So what are you going to do about it? Well, you got to clean up. Sometimes you just have to stop, rearrange things, and make things work better for you. Hey gang. Welcome back to another cleanup video at Joe Daddy's Garage. I mentioned in a live stream earlier that I bought a shelf unit because I'm tired of all of this over here causing me problems. I try to use my bench. I've got paint and junk all over it, all kinds of stuff in my way. So I'm going to put in one of these shelf units to try to alleviate some of this junk. So let's clean up. Well, maybe that'll inspire you to clean up an area of your shop. I know I've done another video before about just cleaning up things, and sometimes that helps a ton. Now, I was surprised at how much space I actually have left over on that shelf back there, because I was expecting it to be fuller. And I've taken all those chemicals or all those paint products and got them out of my way. So now the main bench itself that I use has space. I could almost lay down there. That's fantastic. Now granted, I still have more to do in my desk area or my main area up here, but we're not going to look at that. We're going to focus on the positives. So anyway, who knows, maybe it'll inspire you to do something in your place as well. And you know those racks, that shelf unit, it's like $80 or something, but to me it's well worth it. You know, and I got all that stuff off that top shelf because again I was kind of paranoid about that stuff coming down and who knows what kind of mess that would create. Don't want any of that, but I'm happy with that. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you want, thumbs up, subscribe, share, all those cool things, and until next time, take care of yourselves. See ya.